Tanner just called. We had a surprise batch of piglets in the pasture, meaning she wasn't in her maternity suite. Storms can do that sometimes. That's Gladys. She's a little early, so we're gonna try to. I think she's done, but we're gonna try to move her. Hey, Mama. Oh, Gladys. Oh, Gladys. We have some storm piggies. We have some storm piggies, and more storm is coming. What are we gonna do with you, girl? Oh, hello, guys. Oh, welcome to life. Welcome to life.
We're supposed to be born out here in the pasture, but y'all look like y'all are doing well.
Hungry little babies. Hungry little stinkers. Good job, Gladys. You did good. Farmer Tanner, you want to explain? Gladys, can we move you and your little piggy? Hey, Gladys. We're gonna start with just feed, okay? But if not, we're gonna have to wheelbarrow your babies. Hey, Mama. Hey. I'm still tired, I know. Hey. Our folks don't try this at home video. She's coming to feed. Oh, let's go, Mama. You hungry, girl. You worked so hard. And then we'll come back for the babies. Come on, I know. We're going to take you to a nice shelter. You're going to be very own suite. And you're going to get 15 pounds of food a day. Okay, come on. No, don't turn around. Don't turn. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on. We went across it once and then we turned around. Oh, come on. Come on, Gladys. Sweet on the right. We still have a long ways to go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's going in suite 4. We'll be there midnight. Doing great. I bet she's gonna. Right before I get there, she'll probably be like, turn around and come all the way back. Oh, she just needs to go in that pen. I'm so nervous right now. I would yell, but I know in my leg. Okay, come on. Gladys! Gladys, no! Gladys! Gladys! Oh. Gladys, mad. I'm gonna load the babies real fast. Hi, little babies.
Special delivery.
Sorry, hold on, baby. Hey, Mama, don't get that.
What? I'm ready for this. Come on, Gladys. Come on, Gladys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. I gotta go up the hill. There's no way he's gonna make it up the hill. I feel like a sports newscaster right now. Oh my goodness. Go, go, go.